Here's a common loon. We are at LBI Barnegat Lighthouse today. Look at you. Oh, he dove. He's going fishing. He's going fishing. All right, let's see. Mama, you got to take your tea.
What? Oh, here, I'll put it in my pocket. It just keeps pulling my pants down.
All right, where did he go?
Didn't come up yet.
Yep, so the lighthouse is here.
Where's he at? That's not him way out there.
It's open on the
That's
weekends.
not him way out there, is it?
No, that's a seagull.
No, that's a loon.
Is it? I don't think he's all the way out there. All right, long-tailed duck. Oh, he going fishing. Over here we have big herring gulls. Oh, it's so nice down here right now. There's like no wind whatsoever.
Babe, look at how big they are.
I know.
You better be videoing them.
I'm waiting for the longtail to come up.
Fuck that long tail.
Yeah, these guys are big.
He's right there.
Oh, there he is. He came back up.
It's a long tail.
Hi, baby. Hi. Oh,
Oh, I got it wrong.
close. Oh. These
Yes, that is
guys
what I see
here
out
are called brants. They're a little bit smaller than a Canada goose, but they're so pretty.
Whoa.
Hey! He's walking in my way. Oh my God, it's beautiful down here. Beautiful.